10 Times is the world's leading business event discovery platform. From trade shows to conferences, workshops, anything that you need, come to the one location for everything. Covering over 100 business industries, you can look for events from IT to medical, packaging, art, to anything that you can think of. Just click on View More. Look at all the featured events from around the world, the top and the most popular. Look at what's happening right now in your city, in your neighborhood, and what's accessible. See events which are online, it's easy, so never miss an opportunity. Look at events from different cities and easily browse and navigate to understand what's happening in the world. So let's quickly select the trade shows. Our refined search engine allows you to filter for events on the basis of what's coming up, what's location and different categories. So you can very quickly select what you're looking for from the left hand side navigation and get the best results possible. Can't find what you're looking for? Click on View More and it'll open up all the different categories and keywords to search from. Once you click on an event that you like, it provides all the detailed information about that event. What's unique about the platform is that it's not just the highlights and the information, but you can also see a lot of detailed information about who are the kind of people who would be visiting the event. It also provides you a quick background of a snippet on the audience profile and also the audience spread around the world. So it gives you an idea of the kind of audience the event is expecting. It also has a unique or the only platform in the world which has event rating. So you know the kind of feedback and rating other people have shared regarding the event. So never go to an event without first checking the rating about the event and also the quality of the organizer. So one click gives you all the information. Once you register, let's say I want to sort of connect with the people who are attending. You can connect and schedule meetings with people from around the world so that you know you already have pre-existing meetings before you go to an event. So what are you looking for? Let's get started and start connecting the world in a much better way.